Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just to disable receive news notifications. Just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just come here to receive news notifications, and you just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here receive news notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.